Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Beauty Writer. I hope you are all fine. So my dear friends, today I am showing you very stylish and attractive handmade socks designs and patterns ideas. In this video, you will find a collection of amazing crochet and knitted socks patterns and designs that you can try right away. By the end of this video, you will be able to crochet socks like a pro and treat your feet to some handmade warmth and comfort. Crochet socks and knitted socks are one of the most rewarding and fun projects you can make. Not only do they keep your feet warm and cozy, but they also allow you to express your creativity and personality. Whether you prefer simple or intricate designs, bright or neutral colors, ankle or knee-high length, there's a crochet socks pattern for you. In this video, I'll show you crochet socks designs that fit perfectly and look fabulous. I'll also show you some attractive designing ideas and stunning crochet and embroidery designing patterns on socks. So grab your hook and yarn and let's get started on making some cozy crochet socks. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about crocheting socks. If you like my video, please press the like button, and after watching the video you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. And please keep sharing my video with your friend and your family because everyone needs styling. Sharing your video will help them too and you will help me. And friends, you can free download any of these patterns from my website www.crochet.net. Please visit my website and you can easily download all patterns and designing ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about crocheting socks. I do love to see your creation and hear your feedback. Please leave a comment below and tell me what you think of this video, what kind of socks you like to crochet and knit it, and what challenges you face when making them. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you and keep watching.